Well, I'm surprised you don't have anything to say about my glasses. You usually don't like things like this. Did he just make fun of me?
Look at that butt. Look at that butt. Look at it. Look at that butt. Did you just roll your eyes at me?
Not allowed on the bed, you... No! Get down.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
I can't help you at the moment, dude. I'm a little indisposed.
Oh my goodness. Who are you?
Benji. Hey.
Ginger! Ginger! Look at me!
Bagel.
Hello, ladies!
Bagel.
Honey.